Hey, what up guys? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to rebuild brakes. These are two pot calipers that came from a 2006 Subaru WRX. Alright, first thing you do to make it easier for me, I of course split them apart, clean the insides, and also wipe down the old pistons because I'll be reusing them. And what you got to look out for is pistons with really bad scratches. So this one has a big etch on the side. You can see there. If you have those, make sure you replace them because you don't want any brake fluid to leak out of your calipers. All right. So the next thing you do is lube up these rubber O-rings. You'll be putting them inside this little notch here, and they'll be used to stop the oil from coming out. So start lubing them up, and you don't have to put a lot, just lather them around just like that, and then just place them in. Alright, so they're in. Look just like that. Alright, the next step, basically the pistons, lube them up as well. Make sure they're all nice and lubed. Alright, once they're all nice and lubed up, place them inside. Take a little bit of force, but make sure you don't put them all the way in because they need some space just for the boot to fit. Alright, what's next is the dust boot. Gonna have to lube this as well. Lube the insides. Make it nice and wet. Alright, once you got this nice and wet, just put them over the piston itself. Then right over that little notch. Alright, as you can see, that's how they're supposed to look. Alright, right after you do that, they got these retaining clips that you're gonna put around them. So put them around. Usually they come like that, but if you put it together like this, it's easier. I usually like to start from the bottom, then work my way up. It's kind of tricky. Alright, so once you got it, should look like this. Alright, and that's the first one. Then do the same for the second one. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to put this thing back together. Alright, when you take them apart, there's rubber gaskets that go into these two places right here. So you do want to keep these because they don't come in those brake reseal kits. Okay, so first things first, put them back in their place. Alright, once that's done, put the opposite ends together. Alright, so these bolts, 14 millimeters. I put a thread locker in first before I put them in. Once you guys got this properly bolted up, you do want to install the bleeder valve. Alright, it's just a 10 millimeter. I did already put on the cover that it came with. once you guys do that last step, you guys are pretty much done. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to please like and subscribe to my new channel. Post videos every week depending on how fast these parts come in. And guys, always remember, vape on.